Want to program a key fob for your 2003-2007 Buick Rainier? It's easier than you think. These models use a manual programming method via ignition cycling. First, ensure you have a compatible 314 MHz key fob with a working battery. Get in the driver's seat and close all doors. Insert your key into the ignition. Cycle the key between the on and off positions rapidly. This synchronizes the remote with the vehicle's body control module using GM's proprietary pass lock or passkey system. You can also use aftermarket programmable key fobs available on platforms like Amazon and eBay, often compatible with the Rainier's 314 MHz frequency. Then, check to see if the car has been programmed successfully. Begin by inserting your key into the ignition. Cycle it rapidly between on and off, but don't start the engine until you hear a chime or see an indicator light. This usually takes around 5 to 10 cycles. Then, press any button on your key fob. You should hear the car chime or honk to confirm programming. If it doesn't work the first time, retry the cycling process, ensuring smooth, quick transitions. Common issues include low fob battery, replace it, incorrect cycling timing, or triggering the anti-theft system. If problems persist, consider consulting a professional. Remember, DIY success rates are high, but caution is key to prevent errors. If the horn confirmation 3 honks indicated success.